What's up, guys? Mko aje? How have you been? I hope you are doing well and you've been amazing. I'm also fine, as you can see. Niko salama. I thank God for the gift of life and even for good health. I don't take it for granted. So, guys, in today's video, no, let me not jump. Wacha niwapeleke na mtaratara. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate. And I think I'll be saying thank you in every video to also appreciate you guys. You've done me amazing and I'm so grateful. The other thing, what else? Thank you guys for watching my videos. Naona I can see the love. I can see the love. I can see the likes. Oh my God. I love the reception. I love how you guys have taken me with kind reception and I'm so much grateful. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a product that I have. It's I'll show you in a while. I'll be unboxing something and then reviewing it, and I hope the owner will see it. Still hapo tu kwa views, and let's see how it's going to turn out. Ama kufanya the whatever I'm going to do with it, cause it's a review video, and um I hope I love it because the whatever the why am I forgetting that name? The need of reviewing, it's just to see if it works. I love it. Ama you guys will love it. So let me show you before I unbox it. Into yay! Munaona? It's a juicer, it's a mixer. Hey, iko na vitu mingi. Iko na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-in-1 blender. It's good for, full copper motor, food grade stainless steel. Ingredient adding lid, brand new jar, stainless mask, multi-heat dissipation systems, two-speed regulation, and unbreakable jar. Let me tell you guys, one thing I liked about this product, it's the jar. By the way, it doesn't break. Where hata unaambiwa uikanyange hapo ndio like you see how strong it is, but I'm not going to step on it. I'm so paranoid. But we are just going to be making a smoothie with it and a juice, just to do a quick review of it, and then nitasema kama iko poa ama haiko. You see, it's a I think you can see it's a multifunctional cell-wall breaking food processor. So let's unpack. Yeah, I have my scissors with me. Let me regulate my camera so that you can see, and I'll be doing it on my sitting ndio isikuwe na mambo mengi ya kushinda nimenini. So sijui kama mnaona kichwa yangu, wacha niketi. Tuanze hapa. Sitaki kunini, wacha tu nitoanishe na hii cause si ngumu. Nimeharibu. Yeah, nimeipata. So our product is here. Sikuwa nimetoanisha by the way. I haven't used it since I took this merchandise. You see, they are still sealed. Acha niziweke hapo. So this is the jar. Well, let me tell you the quality. Hey, the handles. Woo, I can't wait. I can't wait. It has so many. You see? Hey, chopper. And finally, I think this is the motor. Yes. Simnona box. It's empty. Let me adjust this. This is the motor. You see the quality. Hey, where? Hey, nakwambia. Woo. You see? Alafu huku chini hata haiwezi move. You see this nini? These two holders, like silicone holders. It can't move. Actually, unaona venye unastikingi simu mahali inashika, hata hii ndo inafanya tu the same. And then you see, so niliambiwa uwezi unaona hata mtoto akajaribu kuioperate tu hivi haezi. I don't think if you're hearing that sound. So una lock ndio uweze kuitumia, so it's child friendly, and then you take it back and lock. Yeah, and it has a good knob. Anyway, so hatutatumia hii ya juu. Let me adjust this. Today we will only be using this. Look at this jar. This is silicone. So hapa ndio unaweka matunda na inasqueeziwa hapa. So unaona iko na hii filter, inasqueeziwa and then juice yako inakuja hapa. Look at that guys. Angalia. Hey, I can't wait to use it. Anyway, I hope sitajichanganya pia while using it. As I've said, we have our ingredients here. I have some bananas and some oranges. These are also seedless, so si kuchukua hizo zingine zenye ukua like orange in color. And finally, not finally, we have our pineapple. Whoops, sorry for that. And our knife. This is our pineapple. And a glass of milk. Yep, for a milkshake. And finally, we have our peanut butter. Yeah, napenda hii zesta, ni kadogo. Yeah, zesta peanut butter. So I'll be making 2 types of juices, although in small quantities. Nataka kutest nione how it's coming along. Ooh. Anyway, let's get into the business of the day. So hizi zingine for now I'll not use. Simnaona? Look at that guys. Hizi sitatumia for now, so wacha nizirudishe tu hapa kwa box cause we are not using them today. Hata hii ingine oh, let me show you something guys. Unaona hii, you can mince your meat with it. Yes, I just said that. It's a mincer. Yep. Imagine it's a 5-in-1. So hata venye mtu huenda kwa butchery unasema just mince it for me. Unanunua tu, unakuja nyumbani, unafanya nini? Oh my god, I can't see the knob. Oh, hey Kristo na aria kå reme ndogo muno. Anyway, wacha nisijaibishe because I'm not using it right now. I'm only interested. Oh, oh my God, where are you? Oh, finally imekubali. Let me show you. Inakaa hivyo, ama unaweka vitunguu, unaweka nyanya, but ile fine ni hizi zenye nimeonyesha ndogo, but ukitaka ile like vitunguu nini whatever kuchop na kumince inakaa hivyo. Yep, got it. Yeah, so hata hiyo wacha turudishe hapo, hiyo itatumika kesho. Our main business for today is with this. Let's try. Let me plug my I want to see where my socket really because I want to show you like everything. Let me squeeze hapa kidogo. We are back. Am I visible over there? Ooh. Camera person is not visible. Yeah. I hope 1 2 mic testing. At least hapo mnaniona. So my God. Nilikuwa nimeweka on. Karibu nishtuke. So guys, let's start making our banana shake. Yo, I hope you can see it from here. So ndio hizo banana zangu, let me peel them. I'll only let me just make 2 ama 3 ni kidogo tu hii. Ile ya kutest. Oh, my pineapples are still here. Nimeona nitadili nazo later. Our milk chani kidogo, and then peanut butter. Sidhani kama I think hiyo itakuwa enough. Let me squeeze it out with my knife. So I hope you can see me, and then I'll proceed to lock it, then use my lid. Yeah. Coming along. Yay! I'm so happy. So I had extra milk here. Let me empty my glass. Woo, guys, a girl is happy. A girl is happy. A girl is happy. I think I would recommend this. Let me first of all show you the first. My banana shake. Look at the cake. And it's fine. Fine. Fine, 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 like fine. Let's have a taste. Look, look, guys. Mm. Nimeweka tu banana, milk, and peanut butter. Banana shake. Hii kama unataka kuadd weight, unataka kupata nyash. Sasa mtaniona nikiwatch. Unataka kuniona nikikunywa. Si mnaona guys? It's very very healthy. Sijaweka kitu ingine. This is sweet. This is sweet, I tell you. Mm. Let me empty. Let me empty this. Oh my god. I feel like, hey, I don't think I want to eat some supper today. This will be good for me. So guys, wacha niache mambo mingi. Please, please. Okay, according to me, I have tested the multifunction cell wall breaking food processor, and I would recommend, if you want to get yourself a 5-in-1 multifunctional blender like me. Let me tell you the advantages. It comes with a 3 years warranty. This jar is unbreakable. Unajua hata ukasimama hapa na miguu, imagine it doesn't break. Like hata ukanyange aje hai break. Look at those handles, silicone. Haya, nimeonyesha all the other things. I don't want to repeat myself. And then I'll put their number on my description. Ukitaka, you can call them, watakuletea, mtaongea, and then they are going to bring it to you guys. So hey, let me end this video here. I want to enjoy my banana shake kwa amani. Anyway, please guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Kindly like my videos. What else? Yeah, and munilike my videos. I really need those likes, and I'll be grateful. So see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye.